Aloha family and welcome to the Felixes. Today's show is my favorite, Felix's favorite too. He loves the meat.
Oh, yes,
he does. Before we embark on this epic butcher beef party, we're gonna make our Copasetic marinade. For our easy peasy Copasetic marinade, we're gonna need 1 white onion, 2 peppers, any color, I like red, gold, and green, 1 whole garlic, a bunch of cilantro with the stems, 1 jalapeno, 1 Fresno, 2 serrano, aromatic smoked herb super salt. And to bring the Copasetic marinade party all together, some avocado oil. So we'll taste this beautiful Copasetic marinade. Very nice, very nice. So good. Let's go. My family, today's butcher beef party steak challenge is to make 40 plus steaks out of these 2 beautiful beasts. We have 1 whole ribeye and 1 whole New York strip loin. We'll start with ribeye steaks. 1 knife and the sharpest knife ever, the hand. Just grab this, you just peel it off. It comes right off. Knife skills, baby. Look at those clean cuts. Chocolate knife. We use the blade. The fat side, we'll call it the back. The front side, we'll call it the lip, the toe. Taking care of this lip. Nice long cuts. Nice and easy, just like so. Very nice. This meat right here, it won't go to waste. I'll show you how to utilize the trim in upcoming shows. So now we're taking off spinal goodness. You see all this? No bueno. This. Use everything. So right here, they have like, it's almost like a tenderloin, but we're gonna keep that intact. $7.15 a pound, a slice, a little piece. When you go to the supermarket, it's at 16. It's double the price. Hundreds of dollars in your pocket. 10-ounce cuts. This right here, that's not bad, that's good for the cake. You're gonna have it well done. Using my scale to make sure that I succeed in this Butcher Baby Steak Challenge. So here we go. Nice cut up and down. Take out the little trim. Very easy. If I was in a restaurant, I'd take everything off and I have it really nicely cleaned. So when you're cutting beef, nice, long, even cuts, a very nice cut. That marbling is beautiful, divine, very nice. In fine dining, they cut it, all these. They take the spinalis, they roll it, and you can turn it into another, but this right here, beautimous. For grilling out, this will definitely work. No waste here. This is called the eye. I'm gonna take some of this off. I'm gonna show you folks. I'm gonna fix this with some butcher string. It's very easy. The part of the spinalis is this right here. So we don't waste, I'm gonna tie those up and make it very nice. There's a gristle line right there. Chef hack, to break up those fibers. This is ancient, old school, apocalypto style right here. Bamboo skewers. If you're just having a bad day at work, go to Costco, get a whole ribeye, have some of these, take your aggravations. It almost feels criminal. I'm tenderizing and breaking up all those fibers and the gristle and all that. Meat tenderizer. See, close to the end, I take out this gristle, right like so. I got 21 pieces of ribeye. We take out the eye. I didn't cut the spinalis out because I wanted to keep it on there and tie the meat together. Bellissimo. So there we go. We have a beautiful piece. All right, family, we finished butchering our ribeye roll. We got 20 pieces, 9 to 10 ounce. This is the chain. The only things that I will not use is this little flap of sinew and fat. If you wanted to use this, I would render it to make roux, or like Fight Club, make perfume. So there you have it, folks. Trim that we're gonna be using in the upcoming shows, you'll see. Use everything. So now, family, we marinate the beef. So we take this beautiful Copasetic marinade and we put some right at the bottom of the pan with our very super sharp knife, AKA mallet, AKA everything. Spatula. Our hands are just wonderful things to have. I take the beautiful tied ones and put them on the bottom. And now our smoked super salts. 2 hours till showtime. We are going to leave these out, breathe, so it's soaking up all this magnificent copacetic goodness. All right, family, so we'll start our New York. Come through here. I take out the toe, but not too much. I make sure I leave enough. Get it all pretty if you like. Just to clean it up. I like trimming as I go, so I cut the steak. Here in the back, it has this very long sinew. This is where the tough parts are at. No bueno. Very tough. Very tough. I'll just cut these off. I would not give that part to my worst enemy. Today's grilling purposes, I'm gonna take a little bit off the top, not too much. And we're going for 9 to 10 ounces. There's a lot of like gristle. I'm gonna cut that off. Tenderize, since I'm not gonna be cutting too much of this. A lot of butchers would be like, but this is for the family. Family loves it, and that's about to go down. The Apocalypto meat tenderizer, because Flavor Town is my only objective. Take the chain of the New York strip. So this is the chain to the New York strip. Now, it'll be easier, but not too much of the fat. Just enough. 9 ounces. Everything's nice. So we continue to cut 9 to 10 ounces. And I'll trim these. And in a restaurant, we don't use these end pieces. They end up being hamburger. We're gonna be cutting this off right here. 41 steaks, ladies and gentlemen. 41 steaks. Steak challenge. Cooking outside, ain't nothing like it. The best part of chefing right here. How was that steak, fellas?
Wonderful.
You heard it from the Hawaiians themselves.
Nice and tender. Thank you, Mr. Felix.
Very tender.
Juicy.
Aloha, family, and thank you so much for joining us in today's Butcher Beef Party Steak Challenge. We did our Copacetic marinade, we broke down a ribeye roll, and a New York strip. And now, it's time to say goodbye. So, if you have not subscribed, please do so. And to all our subscribers, thank you so much. We love all you. Please, please, be kind to yourself and each other. God bless. Alohas.
Good boy, Spicy. You like the meat, boy, Spicy? Let me get one more piece of meat.
It's the meat.